select this.
Okay.
You have any problem, give me a missed call.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Children, concentrate here. Each and everyone understand here. Okay, myself, I am going to ask questions, sir. Myself, I am going to interact with interact with you. Children, concentrate here today. And one more, you should keep with you textbook. Each and everyone keep with you textbook. What are the things we are discussing? Okay, what we are going to discuss, the things particularly. 1 minute here. See, don't write anything about the desktop. Children, concentrate here. Don't write anything about on your desktop. Children, concentrate here.
Good morning. Oh, man. ఏందమ్మా చెప్పు ఒక్క నిమిషం వెయిట్ జస్ట్ చెప్పాలి.
Children, concentrate here. Say, we can discuss once again. Myself, I am going to give clarity for first lesson today. Tomorrow we have to discuss, means mostly tomorrow onwards we can discuss that exercise part. So we have to discuss in detail about first we have to watch videos. Children, concentrate here. Myself, I am going to open videos. So first one, actually within the lesson, our food, we discussed about communicable diseases, which is going to spread one person to other, and what is balanced diet, and what is immunization, and how can we get the immunity by taking vaccine. Okay, the things we discussed. Okay, and in last class last week, all of you concentrate here, don't say here and there. So what I am saying, the things you have to keep reminder. So first, myself, I am going to show the video communicable diseases. Each and everyone concentrate here and watch the video very clearly.
The National Institute for Communicable Diseases, the NICD, is the National Public Health Institute for South Africa. It provides reference microbiology, virology, epidemiology, surveillance, and public health.
Children, concentrate here. Nowadays, most of all, okay, we are suffering with corona, okay, means virus corona. How that disease can spread one person to other, okay, means say actually what are causes for spreading of diseases. ఏంటి దేనికి కారణము డిసీజ్ స్ప్రెడ్ కావడానికి కారణం ఏంటి? వైరసెస్, ఫంగై, parasites. Children, concentrate here. Parasite means that can purely depend upon ours. Actually is a coronavirus is a parasite. Parasite means that can live in our body. That can live in our body by, okay, means by increasing its strength. దాని యొక్క సంఖ్యను పెంచుకొని మన శరీరంలో జీవించడానికి ఉంటుంది. మీన్స్ is a virus only. Okay, so bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites. Okay, how that diseases can spread one person to other. Everyone, each and everyone, you should watch the video. Okay, after that, myself, I am going to ask questions.
Health research to support the government's response to communicable diseases threats. We are going to take a look at what communicable diseases are, what causes them, and how they are transmitted. Communicable diseases, or most commonly known as infectious diseases, are diseases that can be spread from one person to another and can cause a large number of people to get sick. They are caused by germs like bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites, or toxins. But how are communicable diseases spread?
Your toxins given children concentrate here. Toxins means Visha Padartha. Okay, by through that also we can get diseases. Okay. At some areas, particularly you may identify that by blowing of gases. Okay, means from the industries. Okay, so we can identify that sometimes. Okay, means Visha Padartha, Visha gases release kavadamalla. Okay, means they whatever that fell in ill. Okay, means whatever that say if you have the people they affected by through that. So such news we may get that. అటువంటి మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. So children concentrate.
There are two ways communicable diseases can be spread: through direct contact or indirect contact. Direct contact transmission occurs when there is physical contact between an infected person and a susceptible person. Indirect contact transmission occurs when there is no direct human-to-human contact. Infectious diseases are often spread through direct contact. The types of direct contact include the following: person-to-person contact. Infectious diseases are commonly transmitted through person-to-person contact. Transmission occurs when an infected person touches or exchanges body fluids with someone else. This can happen before an infected person is aware of the illness. Sexually transmitted diseases and HIV can be transmitted this way: mother to unborn child. A pregnant woman may pass germs that cause infectious diseases to her unborn baby. Some germs can pass through the placenta. Germs in the vagina can be transmitted to the baby during birth. Droplet spread. The spray of droplets during coughing and sneezing can spread an infectious disease.
Children, so you may identify that this is a how disease can spread. Okay, nowadays we are covering for nose and mouth covering with okay mask. You know why we are covering with the mask to prevent from corona disease. You know coronavirus. So children concentrate here. Say what about that at the time of speaking, at the time of talking, మనం మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతాయంటే డ్రాప్లెట్స్ అనేది బయటకు వచ్చేస్తాయి. వాటర్ డ్రాప్లెట్స్ అనేది బయటకు వచ్చేస్తాయి. At the time of sneezing. Okay. Children concentrate here. Okay, by through direct contact also you can get diseases. So here you may identify that.
You can even infect another person through droplets created when you speak. Since droplets fall to the ground within a few feet, this type of transmission requires close proximity. Infectious diseases can also be spread indirectly through the air and other mechanisms. For example, airborne transmission. Some infectious agents can travel long distances and remain suspended in the air for an extended period of time. You can catch some diseases simply by breathing. These are called airborne diseases. You can catch a disease like measles by entering a room after someone with measles has departed. Other diseases that spread through the air are common cold, TB, chickenpox, and mumps. Contaminated objects. Some organisms can
Contaminated అంటే కలుషితం కావడం means we can get diseases by touching. Here see contaminated. Okay, in our textbook given that, and we discussed TB means tuberculosis, dreadful disease, భయంకరమైనటువంటి అది dreadful diseases that TB, tuberculosis. So identify.
can live on objects for a short time. If you touch an object such as a doorknob soon after an infected person, you might be exposed to infection. Transmission occurs when you touch your mouth, nose, or eyes before thoroughly washing.
By touching that surfaces, nowadays say all we have awareness about don't touch with surfaces if you go outside. Okay, మనం బయటకు వెళ్ళినప్పుడు సర్ఫేసెస్ ఎక్కడ డోర్ దగ్గర ఎక్కువ టచ్ చేస్తుంటారు. Okay, means lift doors, particularly lift. When we are going to operate lift ను ఆపరేట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు అక్కడ ఏంటంటే means most of the people, those who are there in that means apartment, they can touch that. So after touching that, what we have to do, we should watch that we should sanitize our hands. Why? What is the reason? Means after touching that, without sanitization, okay, when we are going to touch our nose, mouth, what happens? Okay, disease can spread. Okay, corona virus can enter into our body. Corona virus can enter into our body. So identify the things
in your hands. Germs can also be spread through contaminated blood products and medical supplies. Food and drinking water. Infectious diseases can be transmitted via contaminated food and water.
Children, listen here. Most of the people, they are suffering now with not only that corona disease, nowadays dengue fevers also, like typhoid. Okay, means children concentrate here. Okay, by drinking contaminated water. Okay, means mosquito bites means children concentrate here. We may get say dengue fever. Okay, we discuss, malaria fever means by through the Anopheles mosquito. So means infected food, by taking infected food, by drinking contaminated water, we may get diseases. So this is the rainy season. Everyone, what about that? We should drink that boiled water. At least 10 to, in your textbook given 10 to 15 minutes after boiling that water, what we have to do? We have to cool and next drink. Cool and drink.
E. coli is often transmitted through improperly handled produce or uncooked meat. Animal to person contact. Some infectious diseases can be transmitted from an animal to a person. This can happen when an infected animal
See, yes, by through the animals also we may get the diseases. Okay, let's see, by through the bite of dog, biting of dog. Okay, kukakat balna choostam kada rabies. Children concentrate here. Okay, by through your cat particularly. See, identify the things.
bites or scratches you, or when you handle cat waste. Some zoonotic infectious agents are transmitted by insects, especially those that suck blood. These include mosquitoes, fleas, and ticks. The insects become infected when they feed on infected hosts such as birds, animals, and humans. The disease is then transmitted when the insect bites a new host. Malaria, West Nile virus, and tick bite fever are all spread this way.
Children, now prevention given. Okay, how to prevent from communicable diseases? How can we protect our body from communicable diseases? Communicable disease నుంచి మనము మన యొక్క శరీరాన్ని మన యొక్క హెల్త్ని ఏ విధంగా ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు? Wash your hands often. Yes, we should wash our hands often. Okay, nowadays what about that? We are cleaning, often we are cleaning our hands. Next, keep immunizations for yourself, your family, and your pets up to date. Yes. So if you be healthy means total your family become healthy. Okay, if anyone may fall in the from the house, remaining people also can affected by through that person. Ante meeta vallu kuda affected avakasham undi. Okay, so common cold like that only, common cold. Okay, so use antibiotics as prescribed by your doctor. Okay, if any person suffering with disease, any kind of disease, okay, so we may take that prescribed medicine. Ante doctor rasinatuvanti medicines manam use chesi protect chesukovali. Safe, here, say, listen here, use insect mosquito repellents, say at home, particularly nowadays we are observing, what about the good night, all out. Okay, we may use to move away that insects, means like mosquitoes from the house.
This was an overview of communicable diseases, what they are, what causes them, and how they are spread. To learn more on communicable diseases, visit www.nicd.ac.za and click on the Diseases A to Z Index.
just children concentrate here. Okay. So up to now we discussed, we observed, we observed that about how diseases can spread one person to other. Okay, the things we discussed. Okay, next now we may discuss about vaccination. Okay. Children,
welcome to week 4. This week we'll talk about Ncds
Friends,
Prevention.
Before we start today's
Ncds
episode,
Prevention
I have an
requires
important
action
message
from multiple
to
partners,
share with you.
and here is how we can prevent
As you must be
NCDs.
aware, due
1.
to certain new
Reduce
policies,
the major
you are not
modifiable
able
risk
to
factors
comment on our
such as
videos.
tobacco use,
But
harmful use of alcohol, unhealthy diets, and physical
Don't you worry, my
inactivity.
friends. You can
2.
still share your
Raise
valuable
priority
feedback,
according to
comments,
NCDs
views,
through
and love
international
at our
cooperation
email ID,
and advocacy. 3. Develop and
@gmail.com.
implement effective
Similarly,
legal
you can also
frameworks.
visit our
4.
Instagram and Facebook
Orient
page
health
and
systems
continue
through
to engage
people-centered
with us.
healthcare and universal health coverage. 5. Promote high-quality research
second one.
according to
Comments,
NCDs
views,
through
and love
international
at our
cooperation
email ID,
and advocacy. 3. Develop and
@gmail.com.
implement effective
Okay, thank you. Children, concentrate here. Okay, now see, up to now we discussed about communicable diseases, how diseases can spread one person to other. అంటే ఒక పర్సన్ నుంచి ఇంకో పర్సన్కి ఏ విధంగా డిసీజ్ అనేది స్ప్రెడ్ అవుతాయి బై త్రూ ద ఫంగై, వైరస్ల ద్వారా, నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాక్టీరియా, ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ బై టాక్సిన్స్, విష పదార్థాల ద్వారా కూడా ఓకే స్ప్రెడ్ అవుతుందని డిస్కస్ చేసాం. మీన్స్ వి అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ ఓకే బై త్రూ video. Now we can discuss about vaccination. Okay, how can we protect our body? How can means develop our immunity power?
Similarly,
legal
you can also
framework.
visit our
4.
Instagram and Facebook
Orient
page
health
and
systems
continue
through
to engage
people-centered
with us.
healthcare and universal health coverage. 5. Promote high-quality research
Second one.
according to
Comments,
NCDs
views,
through
and love
international
Sir, first one completed, I will show second one vaccination. So this is, that is why I told you don't get confused. This is also YouTube video, and this is the live streaming video. No need to say this. Okay, this is the first step. How to prevent vaccination. Is it now? Now it is running. Yes, is it over? Not over. Start, just to start. So these 4 are your videos. Okay, so remember 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not your video. This is live streaming video. Okay, sir. Now, sir, now you may play here. Okay. This is one video. Here you play. First onwards. Okay.
Welcome to week 4. This week we will talk about Ncds Prevention. Ncds Prevention requires action from multiple partners, and here is how we can prevent NCDs. 1. Reduce the major modifiable risk factors such as tobacco use, harmful use of alcohol, unhealthy diets, and physical inactivity. 2. Raise priority according to NCDs through international cooperation and advocacy. 3. Develop and implement effective legal frameworks. 4. Orient health systems through people-centered healthcare and universal health coverage. 5. Promote high quality research and development. To learn more, download our mobile application NCD 365 app on Play Store for free. Follow us today at Storylink Inc. on all our social media platforms. Video produced by NCD Champion. Hi,
We are
my name
looking
is Towel
forward
and I
hearing
am
from
your
you
friend.
that today's
Every week
episode,
of 2021, I'll be
I have an
educating you
important
on
message to share with
everything you need
as
to
you
know
must be
about
aware, due to
non-communicable
certain new
diseases.
policies, you are
So,
not able
what
to
are
comment
non-communicable
on our
diseases?
videos.
Non-communicable
Don't you
diseases
worry,
are
my
abbreviated
friends.
as NCDs and are also
You
called
can still
chronic
share your
diseases.
valuable feedback,
These are
comments,
diseases that do not
views,
transfer
and
from
love
one person
at our
to the other, and they are often long-term diseases.
email ID
Examples include cancer, diabetes, heart
speakablekidsfeedback@gmail.com.
diseases, chronic lung
Similarly,
diseases,
you can
mental
also
health,
visit
and even
our Instagram
obesity.
and Facebook page.
Non-communicable
and
diseases are the
continue
leading killer diseases globally, accounting for over 70%.
So now we have to discuss about balanced diet. Children, concentrate here. Okay, actually there is something problem. I will show to you once again that how we have to get vaccination. Okay, and how that prevent from diseases. I will show afterwards. Now we have to discuss about. We have to watch the video balanced diet. We discussed in detail about proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, fats, and minerals. Everyone concentrate here. See, food and health we discussed, first lesson. So in the 4 groups we observed for getting nutrients. Protein group, carbohydrates, children concentrate here. So energy giving food materials, protective foods, bodybuilding food materials. 3 categories we discussed. Bodybuilding food materials, proteins, next protective foods means like vitamins and minerals. Energy giving food materials means carbohydrates and fats we discussed, Next 4 groups we discussed. Every day we may select the food materials from each group. Okay, say fruits and vegetable group, protein group. Okay, next children concentrate here. Okay, milk group. Okay, next for getting energy particles, here say what we have to take here means carbohydrates, where that higher amount of carbohydrates present, like okay, say means grains such as wheat, rice. So the things we discussed. So once again we have to understand here by the video. Proteins means energy giving food materials. Are you thinking energy giving food materials may provide fat? These are bodybuilding food materials. Bodybuilding means your body is growing, What about that? Compare with your 4th class, compare with your 3rd class. What about your body strength? Your body strength ఎట్లా ఉంది? 4th class తో కానీ 3rd class తో కానీ కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే you are growing, So milk, eggs are there. Okay, means higher amount of proteins are present. Next, pure butter given. In that also fats present. Fats here. So energy giving food materials. Fats are energy giving food materials. Okay. Say proteins means for growth of your body. Next, water there. Water means water also means 60 to 70%. 60% of your body contains water. Water is very essential. Actually, that only maintains, okay, our body temperature, which regulates our body temperature means water only. Okay, క్రమబద్ధీకరిస్తుంది మన యొక్క బాడీ టెంపరేచర్ను క్రమబద్ధీకరిస్తుంది. We should drink sufficient amount of water, children. Okay, next carbohydrates means energy giving food materials. మనకు శక్తిని కలుగజేస్తాయి. కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ అనేది శక్తిని కలుగజేస్తాయి. లైక్ గ్రెయిన్స్, వీట్, రైస్, ఓకే, దట్ కంటైన్స్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్. Okay, see, children, concentrate here. Next, dietary fibers. Dietary fibers means peels of vegetables, fruits. These only should be, okay, రఫేజెస్ అంటారు. రఫేజెస్ పీచ్ పదార్థాలు అంటారు. డయటరీ ఫైబర్స్ మీన్స్ పీచ్ పదార్థాలు. ఓకే, దట్ కెన్ హెల్ప్స్ ఇన్ ద డైజెషన్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్స్. యూ విల్ లెర్న్ ఇన్ 7th class. ఓకే, ఇన్ 7th class వాట్ ఇట్ షుడ్ రిప్రజెంట్, సే ఫుడ్ కాంపోనెంట్స్. ఓకే, డయటరీ ఫైబర్స్, దీస్ ఆర్ very very essential to our body. Okay, sometimes you may suffers with constipation. Food materials may not undergo digestion, అంటే digestion కాకుండా stomach pain రావడం కానీ. Okay, sometimes you may observe that. Okay, by taking that dietary fibers every day, your body requires dietary fibers also. Along with this, proteins, fats, carbohydrates, minerals, vitamins. Along with that, apart from that, your body also requires dietary fibers. Dietary fibers కూడా మనకు చాలా మేజర్ రోజులను కలిగజేస్తాయి. యాక్చువల్లీ అవర్ బాడీ ఫెయిల్స్ టు డైజెస్ట్. అంటే మన బాడీలో ఇవేంటి డైటరీ ఫైబర్స్ అనేది జీర్ణం కావు, బట్ దట్ కెన్ హెల్ప్స్ ఇన్ ద డైజెషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్స్. నెక్స్ట్ మినరల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఆల్రెడీ టోల్డ్ దట్ కాల్షియం మినరల్. Calcium means okay, getting how should be, how your bones become strong by taking calcium mineral. Okay, your body required calcium mineral every day. Your body required calcium mineral. Next, protective foods here given that vitamins and minerals. Vitamins. They're given carbohydrates and fats. Okay, energy giving foods, energy giving food materials. There is no energy levels along with him. He unable to fail to lift the dumbbells. We came అంటే dumbbells అంటారు. Okay, say means where we can use these dumbbells means okay, where we can do that exercise. ఎక్కడైతే వ్యాయామశాల అంటాం కదా, ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేస్తారో అక్కడ dumbbells. So unable to lift the dumbbells. ఎందుకు, what is the reason? There is no energy levels along with him. అతనికి ఎనర్జీ లెవెల్స్ లేవు.
Aha.
Your milk help in growth and repair of body. Identify the
Ba 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 doo da doo da doo doo. A doo 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 doo.
These are viruses. Children concentrate here. These are viruses. Identify the things here.
Hey!
Minerals and vitamins. Vitamins and minerals are protective foods, that can protect from diseases. Virus. Lord Sri Krishna given here to him that what about to protect his body from viruses. What he provided, vitamins provided, minerals. See, what about the apple, next mango given, mango, no, banana given. Strong, very, very strong. Okay, by taking vitamins and minerals, okay, that can protect your body. Dietary fibers means children myself told, roughages that can help in the digestion of food materials. జీర్ణం కావడానికి, ఓకే, ఆహార పదార్థాలు జీర్ణం కావడానికి హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంటాయి. Undigested food materials get dried up. Children concentrate here. Actually, water helps us to get rid of liquid waste. So water that can take place major role. Okay, without drinking water, which should be, actually we won't be on the surface of the earth. Okay, water is very essential. Then only our body extract waste materials from the body. Mana body lo permanent petti malina padarthalu em chestunnadi beta పంపిస్తుంది. Otherwise that waste materials are stored in our body, means we won't be. Okay, every day we are cleaning the house. Why we are cleaning the house? Why we are sending that dry waste and okay, wet waste outside every day? Podi chetta, tadi chetta, every day we are sending outside, okay, after cleaning the kitchen. Why? Otherwise germs can settle. Here also, okay, say means urine. Okay, after drinking that water, it will extract outside, liberate outside. The బయటకు మనం వదులుతూ ఉంటాం. Means like urine, sweat also. Okay, చెమట రూపంలో బయటకు పంపిస్తాం మనం. Water is useful for absorption of dissolved nutrients. After pouring, for example, if there is a plant there, so near a plant, what about the manuals వేసామనుకున్నాం, ఎరువులు వేసామనుకున్నాం. how that absorbs, whether it can absorb itself? No, after pouring water మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే మనం వాటర్ పోస్తాం. Okay, then only that absorbed dissolved nutrients, same like that our body also absorbs dissolved nutrients.
Ah. Ah.
So balanced diet helps in proper growth and maintenance of our body. Very, very important things, sir. So we should take every day.
Okay, class, who would like to do problem 3 on the board?
Please don't be me. Please don't be me.